welcome to TDO, and check this out, the truth about Apple's thinnest iPhone. And man, it is thin. I mean, at the price you're paying for this, whoo, and the weight, oh my days, is 165 grams. The thickness, let's unbox it and I'll tell you more. How about that? See you in a moment. Yes guys, welcome back, and this iPhone Air is hot. Talk about hot. Feeling hot myself. Feeling hot. Let's put that over there. Guys, welcome back to TDO, and check this out. The new iPhone Air is the first iPhone in years that people keep stopping me, family, friends, and ask me some good questions. I'll get to that in a minute, because after a week with this bad boy, I'm breaking it down, the good, the bad, and the why. And it's been challenging to review the iPhone Air over the last week, because every time I go outside or meet friends or family, they would stop me and ask me loads of questions. And the questions they ask are pretty sensible. So I thought, okay, to give you guys an idea of what questions they're asking, they're saying, is that an iPhone Air? Yes, it is. What color is that? It's a sky blue, but it comes in 4 colors, like the light gold, the cloud white, and the space black. The choice is yours. And is the camera okay? And I say yes, the camera is pretty good. It has a 48 MP Fusion main camera with 2x optical zoom, and the front camera comes at 18 MP with center stage. What's that? Well, is it square sensor for flexible portrait landscape shots. So up to 4K 60 frames per second Dolby Vision video recording with spatial audio. Next question. I know, it's just crazy. What's the battery life like? Like I said, the battery is about 3,149 milliamp battery required. It did require me to use the iPhone Air MagSafe battery at times. And then they asked me, like, I don't know, is the water resistance? And yes, it is. It has the IP68 rated, maximum depth of 6 meters, up to 30 minutes. And they asked me, how's the storage? Well, I said options are, there's no 128, it's 256, 512, and 1 TB. And how much is that? It's around about, what, £1,000 plus, dollars and pounds. So it's one bag. Is it good for gaming? Yes, all day long. The chip A19 Pro with the CPU and a 5-core GPU. The amazing quality on this phone for gaming is good. That was their questions, and they were quite, a bit pricey for me, but I'll give it a bash and see what it feels like and everything. So the good thing about this phone, the iPhone Air, let's start with the obvious, because this phone is fragile, thin, at just 0.22 inches with a weight of 160 grams. It makes the old skinny, remember the old iPhone 6 looks a bit chunky and thick, combined with the polished titanium frame and the matte glass back. It feels like a luxury iPhone. Honestly, genuinely, the glimpse into the future of what Apple is saying, look what we can do with a thin phone. With one camera and the powerful software, the camera it comes with, and also the software inside. And it's because the thinness is what's grabbing everyone's attention. So I think next year Apple are going to do something, definitely. By picking it up for the first time, it really is sick. It's a wow moment, and it feels even better than it looks on the Apple videos. To achieve this, Apple had to be very creative, and that they did. Personally, guys, you need to go and judge it for yourselves. Pick it up and you will feel the future of the iPhones coming. I'm telling you, because the display is 6.5 inches Super Retina XDR display with promotional up to 120 hertz, which is pretty good. I mean, you see me here, I'm flicking up and down, and it's really. The brightness is up to 3000 nits peak brightness outdoors. Well, the durability, well, it is strong, very strong. Titanium design with ceramic shield 2 front and back for the improved scratches and the crack resistance. Now, performance wise, I got to tell you, the new A19 Pro chip offering fast performance for everyday tasks and even the gaming, which as I said is 5-core GPU, making it the most powerful or one of the most powerful iPhones. Because for gaming, it is sick. I mean proper. If you see here, me and my son were playing the racing game, and the quality and the actual display was amazing. It was like, wow. The graphics were, yes. But there is a compromise to this iPhone Air, because the Air itself may look good, may look slick, but the camera bump, the sound and the price. And you're thinking, what is he talking about? Well, this is an ultra thin design, which comes with a catch. The large camera bump on the back, the plateau. This isn't just the camera, because Apple has moved most of its iPhone tech powers, including the A19 Pro chip, into this bump. And it makes the rest of the body slimmer enough to accommodate the battery is ass on here. And I must say, it is noticeable at first, but yes, the iPhone still has a wobble. It does has a wobble, not major wobble on the table. However, after a few days, I grew accustomed to it. So you know what? It's okay. Now the bad is the camera system. Now, the most significant compromise is the camera. There's only one lens on the back, which is a 48 MP main camera, no ultra wide and no telephoto. So I do miss the telephoto, but I definitely miss the ultra wide. So if you prefer zooming into or for clear close-up shots, you may not be satisfied. This main camera itself is excellent, and the software offers crop options such as 2x, but it's not true optical zoom, if you know what I'm saying. The front camera, however, is a great considerable upgrade, and an 18 MP square sensor means you do no longer have to rotate your phone for group selfies awkwardly, because the AI handles it to perfection automatically. That's what's sick about this. But again, me and my son took a selfie out of it. He came in and made it into a landscape, and then you can see the group here. There's 2 of them, 3, 4, 5 come in, and it becomes almost like a landscape. Well, it is. Now you're thinking, well, okay, what's the bad? Well, that is mainly the main bad, but it gets very hot, and it's hot in my hand now. Would you believe it? It's proper. I mean, it's just crazy. The phone just gets hot when it feels like, especially when you're gaming. When you're gaming, oh my days. So when using the phone, like I said, the gaming and when charging especially, it gets too hot. So this may have to go back because it's not going to be healthy to have a hot phone in your hand, if you know what I'm saying. So Apple has sacrificed many visible phone elements to make the AirPods, but one of that is really hard to notice immediately involves the phone speaker. Yep, Apple's left only one on the air, which is next to the earpiece up here. One speaker. It's okay, it's loud, but it's not, powerfully loud. So Apple's iPhone Air is priced at £1,000, $1,000, and it aims at individuals who value design. It's not a cheap phone. It's meant to be a status symbol, in my opinion. Now you're saying why? I'm saying why because to attract the new customers, that's what Apple's encouraging. Upgrades. Some buyers may not require the maximum performance of the camera capability of the Pro models because they are coming hot, but they are drawn to the incredibly thin, light and powerful phone the Air offers, a unique option of those customers, and could inspire upgrades among those who are still using the old iPhones. And I've got many friends and family who are using the 6 and the 7 iPhones. There are a lot of them out there. I mean, they are using the old iPhones. But this may change their mind because it's simple. But finally, I like to say this. This is a phone for users who prefer a slim, lightweight design, solid performance for general use, but who do not require specialized camera features like telephoto, ultra wide lenses. So the iPhone Air isn't for everyone. It's a statement piece for those who value revolutionary design and an incredibly light feel above all else. And I mean, are we willing to accept the significant compromises in the camera, speaker and prices? Then you are able to go and buy it because that's what you are willing to compromise. Go and get it. So guys, what do you think? Is the future of the iPhone Air, or is it a step too far? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching yet again, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share and all that shebang. Hit that notification bell for tech this out reviews, and I'll definitely take you out soon. If you get it, enjoy it. If you're thinking about it, it's a bit pricey, but you need to go and feel it, touch it, play with it before you make a decision. Believe me. Until then, enjoy. Air hot, proper hot. See you in the next one. I'm out.